dreams are like the dawn of the dead. Steers and quills from Texas, that's what he said.
Alright, I picked me up a wire wheel and a small drill bit set down at the wire wheel store. Harbor Freight, also known as. They had a small mini drill bit set for $3, so I picked it up. Had, I don't even know how many bits was in the package, but enough for me to kick my drill over several more times. And 4-inch diameter wire wheel for my air grinder. So we're back out here. I'm fixing to repeat the same thing I did on the other side in the last video to finish drilling out the spot welds on the other side, and then I'll go to cleaning out that front channel with its where the seam sealer is. You can see I pretty much got some pitting in this channel here that I didn't notice, especially on the passenger side. It's kind of hard to see where the spot welds are, so I'm just going to have to go through and try prying and separating the seams until I come to another spot weld, and then drill it out just like I did before. Okay, so I've done as much as I can see with the spot weld cutter. Both sides of this channel, the metal is pitted so bad I can't see where the spot rivets are, and rather just keep drilling and chiseling away at it and tearing the metal up even worse, I think I'm just going to take my cutoff wheel, go down both edges. The metal's going to need replaced anyway, so I want to do that now. The aftermath. I'm sure this truck was setting for a while from the looks of it. Even if you do drive them though, this area will fill up with dirt and water and quit draining after a long time, and that's why all these trucks are rusted out. I ended up doing more damage than this than I wanted to. I couldn't get the areas on the sides there was so pitted I couldn't see any of the spot welds. So I'm gonna end up putting new metal in this one too, looks like. Alright, so there you go. That's how I did it. Like I said, I don't know if it's the right way or the wrong way, but it works. I will get a game plan going on what I'm going to try next. And I actually was working on this instead of the frame, thinking it might be a little less taxing on me after my heart attack, but it took its toll on me. Those spot welds are rough when you can't find them. So if you are enjoying these videos, like, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, questions, comments. Got my links to my Instagram and Facebook page at the end of the videos. If you just want to have something you want to say it.